Layag Diwa, while our time together as your Assistant Chief has been brief, I had the privilege of witnessing your dedication and humility firsthand. The fruit of your hard work and eagerness to become successful police trainees of PRTC 6 is now a reality. Your 6 months stay here in the training center is a manifestation that time and obedience to the policies and guidelines are needed to finish your basic course. The achievement that you have gained today will be your ticket to a wonderful public safety journey ahead. We at PRTC 6 molded you to develop a strong body and mind and to be still in times of difficult challenges. And you as a police officer must always follow the rules and regulations of the PNP. We are at the grassroots of the organization, and you, Layag Diwa, are our fruits harvested to become effective and efficient members of the organization. Always remember that humility and excellence in your future assignments will make you productive. When you will be engaging to the next stage, your job being a police officer is a blessing from God. Treasure every moment and learn from your shortcomings. Help one another and never give up. You are a police officer. You are the future of the country against the threats and disorder that might come. Be proud but humble and always aim high. You remain resilient and strong amidst all of this. The hardships and struggles that you have faced in training are different in the real McCoy outside the perimeter of PRTC 6. Your common sense and your camaraderie will save you from the threats of the world that we are living in today. As advocates of peace and order, you must instill the values of a servant leader. To you, Layag Diwa, congratulations and job well done, and continue to be true to what your class name stands for. Layunin ay yayakapin alang-alang sa ginampanang tungkulin. Dugot pawis ay handang ialay ng walang alinlangan sa bansang sinilangan. Congratulations to our TSBRC Class 2023 Rescue Team.
I am filled with pride and gratitude as we gather here to celebrate this momentous occasion. Throughout our 6 months of rigorous training, we have faced numerous physical and mental challenges that tested our perseverance and dedication. Aming pagsasalamat sa inyong walang humpay na suporta sa buong paglalakbay na ito. Ang inyong sakripisyo, pag-aaruga at pagmamahal ang naging batayan ng aming tagumpay. Ngayon, binabahagi namin ang tagumpay na ito sa inyo. Alam namin ang tagumpay na ito ay tagumpay rin ninyo.
We are going high.
Class Layag Diwa, as we look to the future, let us carry forward the lessons we have learned here, the importance of unity, the power of perseverance, and the commitment to serving others with honor and distinction. We are ready to embark on the next chapter of our journey, equipped with the knowledge and values instilled in us. Dalhin natin ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaisa. Patuloy nating itaguyod ang kahulugan sa ating magiting na profesyon. let us continue to uphold the ideal of service beyond ourselves. Congratulations, classmates. Our journey has just begun, and I have no doubt that each of us will continue to make a positive impact on our community and our nation. Muli, maraming salamat at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
See the world, the
True heroism is remarkably sober, very and dramatic. It is not the urge to surpass all others at whatever cost, but the urge to serve others at whatever cost. And this emphasizes the selfless nature of heroism, motivated by a deep commitment to helping and serving others, regardless of the personal sacrifices you may need to make. Again, congratulations, Batch 2023-02, Classes Alpha and Bravo. May you serve with honor, integrity, and unwavering dedication. The nations look to you with hope and pride. Again, kudos to all of you. Thank you, and may God bless us all.